Want to change your file extension? Let's change it. Go to your file explorer. For better views, let's change its icon to Explorer. Now you can see it properly. Look, this is a doc file, and this is a jpg file, and this is a png file. Okay, let's right click and go to properties. Look, its file format is png. Okay, now I want to change it to a jpg file, and we can change it by renaming it art.jpg. Now we should have changed it to a jpg file, and let's check it by going to properties. No, it's not changed. Why? Because computer thinking is that in this file name is art.jpg. So first we have to go to view and show file extension. Now look, we are destroying it's the doc file, and this is a jpg file, and it's the png file, and art.jpg is its name, not format. Okay, now let's rename it again. First, let's remove the jpg first, so you don't get confused. Okay, now rename it to art.jpg. Click on yes. I want to change it. Now right click and let's change it to rename it and type png and hit ok. Now look, it's a pin in a png format. It has background, so if you want to remove it, open it with your photos. Click on the edit option. Now click on background. It detecting the background. Now click on the remove and click apply. Showing the background has removed. Now we have a background has removed, and we have two options: save as copy. If we save as copy, it will create a new document and apply it with applied edits. And if we save, image will be origin with this edits. So I will save it, and look, it now has no background, and this file format is in png. You can check it from properties, obviously. png. Now let's check it, change its file format to rename it to, let's change pdf. So this file format has changed. Let's open it. We can open this file. Basically right now it's useless, so we can do this useless thing with cmd tool. Let's type here cmd. Here our cmd will open here. You have to make sure where your file is, and you are in the right path address. You can go to your address by typing cd and your address. Now I am in desktop and my files are here. Let's type rem space star.pdf. Here my file format is in pdf. Type whatever your file format is. Now space and what format you want to change it to. You want to change it to a doc file and hit enter. Look, it said change. Now firstly we can change its format to pdf by searching any browser. doc to PDF and go to any website and click on choose file from device and click on open and click convert. It's uploading. Here we have our many other tools, but the problem is we have to see some errors. Yeah, it's not no. Let's download it. Then obviously you have to wait for the downloads and the uploading and working time. Okay, let's open it. Now it's normally open. Let's close it. You can also download third-party apps that can change file format to PDF to doc, etc. etc. It's your choice. Thank you for watching.